guys, so I'm back with these black magic sort of gemstone iridescent nails. I was inspired to do these when I saw the gemstones on my Moyu London Halloween plate. I think it's the 01 plate. And I knew I had to use unicorn skins with it. I was like, that is going to look so cool with crystals. So if you want to know I did these nails, keep watching. So I started off with painting all of my nails with one coat black from Holo Taco. And then with my Moyu London Halloween 01 plate and a white stamping polish from Twinkle Tea, I'm just stamping the two gemstones on this plate. Here's the second one. And then leaving them on the stamper, I'm just filling them in with the unicorn skins from Holo Taco. One I used Cosmic Unicorn Skin, and the other I used, what's the other one called? Aurora Unicorn Skin. So here I am just applying a sticky base. And so I stamp one of the crystals near the top of my nail. And then with my Moyu London, the same plate, I'm stamping the words that say Black Magic in white. And then I stamp that underneath the gemstone. Oh, no, I didn't. I stamped the second gemstone first. And then I stamped that in between. There you go, there's that now. And then for the rest of my nails, I just applied one coat of Aurora Unicorn Skin. And then I went over the top of it with a little bit of Cosmic Unicorn Skin. So the brush didn't have loads of flakies on there, but it had a few. And then with that same plate, here's the 01 plate, I'm just stamping the witch in white. She's really cool and spooky. I love her little spider web. It's like a headpiece she's got. Looks cool. And then I stamp that straight on my middle finger. God, I've got to remember what now I paint what on. I forget terribly. And then with brush and acetone, I'm just cleaning around my nails. And then with that same plate and the image next door to the witch, I'm just stamping the gemstones and all that with a white polish. And I stamp this image twice on my index and pinky fingers. And finally, a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these black magic cool gemstoney witchy nails for that witch in all of us. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.